Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Many companies have been founded upon a new idea or concept to solve an age-old problem. Mobilizing heavy equipment to investigate the subsurface conditions of our world has always been one. Today we're in Indianapolis, Indiana, and home of the Mobile Drill International Company, or MDI. MDI manufactures a full line of drill rigs and tooling to service the geotechnical, environmental, mineral exploration, water well, geothermal, and seismic industries. MDI is the market leader of auger manufacturing in the United States of America. MDI is structured to not only be a supplier for their customers, but also a resource to assist them with the growth of their business. MDI manufactures both mechanical and hydraulic-driven drills, along with an extensive inventory of sampling tooling, shipping globally every day. MDI keeps floor inventory of new and refurbished rigs available for rent. This enables our customers to move quickly, avoid downtime, and take advantage of short-term opportunities without the capital outlay for new equipment. MDI understands that many of their customers prefer to utilize used drilling equipment. To service this market, MDI provides refurbished drills from the original equipment manufacturer with warranty and after-the-sale service and financing. MDI's wide array of products and services allows their customers the efficiency of one-stop shopping. This allows them the opportunity to truly learn their customers' unique needs and focus their efforts on assisting them with their growth and success. MDI is committed to a strong after-the-sale relationship, viewing each sale as a lifetime commitment to that customer and that drill. Visit them at mobiledrill.net. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.